Today we're working on a 2013 F150 5.4 liter, and we're fixing Ford's screw up here, and that's the quick connect that leaks. Of course, I put it in the shop, but the warranty didn't cover it. Ford paid to repair the Y pipe that broke, but these cheap fittings that are designed to fail aren't covered under the warranty. First thing we did was go to the local Pep Boys and buy an assortment of parts. This is actually a PVC end assembly preformed hose, but I believe it's going to work best for this. Alright, so far so good. The Pep Boys parts fit just as expected. Now we have to figure out what to do with the Ford end, which is, that looks like a 3/4 inch diameter end on that hose. So we may have to go get some more parts. Alright, I ended up using a combination of the new parts and just cut the fitting, the old elbow, off the original and hose clamped it on. Even though it's a 3/4 hose, it seemed to clamp right onto the 5/8 fitting. So far, so good, no leaks. Let's see if we can get some more light down in the river. So take that, Ford, for instead of a $400 factory replacement, $20 backyard repair. This is the final repair, and I'm just about to publish this in Movie Maker. Wanted to comment that you have to push down incredibly hard on the fittings to get the release to let loose. Once you push down hard enough, it'll pop right off. I'm Rick, and I hope this helps from the backyard.